Hello dear students. In this video we will discuss some basic definitions like point, line, ray, line segment, plane and curved surface. Okay. So first of all we will discuss about point. What is a point? I will explain this with an example. Suppose you are going somewhere to a location, to a destination, and you search for that location on your Google Maps. Okay? Then when you search for that location, you can see a dot on your phone for that location. Right? You can see that location in the form of a dot on your Google Maps. Right? And it is fixed. This dot is fixed for that particular location. This is, you can say, this is a point. A point has an exact location. It cannot be moved. It cannot be changed for that particular location. Right? And it has no length, no breadth and no height. You cannot measure it. आप इसे measure नहीं कर सकते हो. नहीं कर सकते ना एक point को measure. It is just a dot in the dot form. Right? It cannot be measured. And how can you name a point? You can name a point just as I have written here by a capital letter. Only by capital letter. It can be any letter. A, B, C, D or O. Suppose I have taken this point as O. Suppose I am taking another point as B. So point B is fixed for that and point O is fixed here. Right? Next is line. Line is a straight path. Now what is straight path? You can imagine a straight path as a straight road. Suppose it is a straight road. Road can be turned in left or right direction. But suppose it is straight like highways. Highways mostly straight ही होते हैं. Right? A line is a straight path, बिल्कुल straight path which extends endlessly in both direction. Now what does extend mean here? Extend means बढ़ सकता है, बढ़ना. Here extend means this path can be extended in both direction. दोनों directions में we can extend this path. हम बढ़ा भी सकते हैं इस path को. ठीक है? Suppose I am taking a straight path here as this. I am taking a longer line than this line. I can make it shorter. I can make it longer. These arrows on left and right, on left end and right end represent that the line can be extended. छोटी बड़ी हो सकती है. And you cannot measure it. Right? You cannot measure a line. Because it can be extended simply. Right? Now how can you name a line? Two methods are there. I am explaining both. First of all, first method is by points. 2 points. 1 point at the left end. Suppose I am taking it P. Here I have taken A and B points. Suppose I am taking here point P and here point Q. Right? You can take any letter. Point is represented by capital letters as I told before. So here left end per I have taken P point and on right end I have taken Q point. And you can name it by line PQ. You will name it as PQ. There should not be any comma or hyphen between these two letters. These will be together. Line PQ. Okay. By one more method you can name a line. Suppose I am making a line. See, I am making this line shorter. Okay, this is your wish according to your question. This is a shorter line. This is a line. How can I name it? I can name it by other method by writing just a single small letter. right? I can name it as A, I can name it as P, I can name it as L. Small letter should be there. All right. In point form, there should be 2 points, one on left end, one on right end, and both in capital form. You will write it as line PQ. Line PQ. And you can name it by other method, like here as small letter, by small letter, right? Line A, small a. These are the two methods to name a line. One more thing I want to clear here, that line has no end points. Like I've told you before, that line can be extended from both the directions, right? From right side also it can be extended, and from left side, from left side it can be extended, and from right side it can also be extended, right? It has no starting point or ending point because it can be extended, so it has no end points. These are the points just to name the line. Okay, next is ray. A ray has one end point and it extends endlessly in one direction. What does it say? Suppose आप imagine करो, देखो from where the sun ray starts. From sun they start, right? Suppose एक ray है जो sun से emerge हो रही है, right? It starts from sun. So this should be the fixed point O. It is point here O. It cannot be extended from this side because it is emerged from this point, right? Like sun rays emerge from sun. Suppose this is sun, and this ray can be extended in other direction, right? It extends endlessly in one direction, only in one direction, right? It is ray. I can make a ray in this form also, right? It emerges from, suppose, this point A and extend endlessly in the other direction. Suppose this point is B, and I can name it a ray by AB. From where it starts from A, and I can name it as ray AB, right? AB. Okay, I have named here ray as OA, ray OA. All right. Next we have line segment. Now what is line segment? Suppose I have a line, okay, line which can be extended in both direction. Suppose this is a line, right? Line segment is a portion of line. Suppose I will take some portion of this line starting from here to here, right? It means a line segment has one starting point and one ending point, right? There should not be any arrow because this is just a small portion of the line. I can name it as AB by 2 points, starting point and ending point. It has 2 endpoints, right? It has a definite length. Now it is just a small portion of the line. A line cannot be measured, but a line segment can be measured because it is a portion of the line. I can measure it using a scale, right? This is the line segment. Next we have plane. What is plane? Have you observed the walls of your room? See a wall. The wall is flat. It has a flat surface, right? वॉल में कोई उभार नहीं होता, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी भी नहीं होती वॉल, बिल्कुल फ्लैट होती है, राइट? आप टेबल टॉप भी देख सकते हो, right? Table top is also flat. These all are plane surfaces. These all have plane surface, right? Plane is a flat surface which extends endlessly in all directions. Now, what does it mean? Suppose I have a paper. Suppose this is a paper, right? This is my paper. I can extend this surface. This is a surface, right? I can extend this surface by pasting papers in all the sides, on left side, on right, below and above the paper. So I can have as much plane surface as I want. So it can be extended endlessly in all directions. चारों directions में it can extend, right? For example, here, as I have told you, tabletop, surface of blackboard, it is a very good example. Blackboard surface is also flat, it is a plane surface, right? Now here comes another type of surface, that is curved surface. Now what is curved surface? Curved means थोड़ा उभार हो किसी चीज में या गोलाई में होना किसी चीज का. Have you observed this pen? This pen is round, right? If I touch with my hand, then it goes circular, right? So I can say this pen has curved surface. Okay, you can take more examples from your surroundings. Ball, orange, globe, right? Apple. These all have curved surfaces, right? I hope you understood all these basic definitions. Thank you.